Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to add transitions on CapCut PC. So we have added some media files and then added them to the timeline, and now we're going to add transitions. Let's click on the transitions. You'll be able to see tons of transitions here. When you hover your mouse, you'll see what type of transition they are. And if you haven't downloaded them, there will be a download icon. You just have to click download and it will download it. And let's play one of them here. Okay. So let's play this transition. See, the transition happened. You can add the others too. If you want to change or delete this transition, right click here and you will see this delete or backspace button. Click delete or press backspace and it will be deleted. If you want to change the duration, it is here. You can change the duration of the transition. So this is how you place transition on CapCut PC. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.